Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. In today's episode, we have something special for all the Apple Watch enthusiasts out there. We'll be taking a closer look at the 3-pack Floral Engraved Bands. Compatible with Apple Watch, designed specifically for women. These bands are not just functional, they are a fashion statement in themselves. So, let's dive right in and explore what makes these bands so unique. One of the standout features of these bands is the intricate floral engraving. These bands come in 3 beautiful patterns: lavender, big dandelion, and small dandelion. Lavender and dandelion symbols represent resilience, growth, and self-confidence, adding a meaningful touch to your Apple Watch. These bands are crafted from soft silicone material, making them skin-friendly, lightweight, and comfortable to wear all day long. The advanced printed laser engraving design not only looks trendy, but is also durable, ensuring that it won't wear out or fade over time. These bands are compatible with a range of Apple Watch models, including Series 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, SE, and Ultra. You can choose between 2 size options: 38mm, 40mm, 41mm, and 42mm, 44mm, 45mm, 49mm, ensuring a perfect fit for your wrist. With 3 different color patterns to choose from, these bands can match different styles of clothing and occasions. The clear, lively, and realistic colors make them versatile and suitable for various settings. These bands feature 12 adjustment holes, making them flexible and easy to operate. Quick-release spring lugs on both ends ensure a precise and secure fit, preventing your watch from falling off or the strap from loosening. Looking for a thoughtful gift for your loved ones? These bands make an ideal present for birthdays, Christmas, Valentine's Day, and Mother's Day. They add a touch of fashion and attractiveness to any outfit. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at what customers are saying about these bands. Most customers praise the comfortable fit, unique design, and ease of installation. They appreciate the quality, value, and how these bands hold up against sweat and water. That's a wrap for today's product critique episode featuring the floral engraved Apple Watch bands. These bands offer a perfect blend of style, comfort, and functionality, making them a must-have accessory for Apple Watch users. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more product critiques. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next episode.